Episode 103. Today we will be discussing what exactly is going on outside of our planet. We call planet Earth. Are our astrophysicists and scientists keeping anything from us? Do they understand what they are actually observing in outer space? So since me and my team have been observing their progress over the past, it is safe to tell you without any doubt. Well, I can really sum it all up in one word. Incompetent. The mind of an astrophysicist. Wow. Okay, enough of that. Let's dive into the images on your screen. The woman's face you see on your screen is looking downwards on a 45-degree angle. You will notice the letter C close to her mouth. You will always find the letter C on the data zone inside the planet and outside the planet. As per the science community, this is a solar system they named Eagle Nebula. The pillars of creation that was also named by NASA can be found inside of Eagle Nebula, in which Eagle Nebula is actually a woman's face. I have also displayed on your screen an image NASA named Mystic Mountain. Hubble captured the Mystic Mountain image in the year 2010. I have also displayed on your screen an image NASA named Crab Nebula. What all the images have in common is, well, they are all information. Knowledge, or as some may say, data. This is basically how this type of data works. There is really no empty space. Everything is information that attaches itself to the information next to it and overlaps. The human mind is the only thing that can separate all the information. In other words, put all the data in proportion. Your reality is so perfect no matter how many light years separates this type of information. You still have to view it as one. Let me explain. Whenever you see something behind something or next to each other, somehow it will attach itself to it to create information. In other words, everything you see in the natural design of everything is dimensional knowledge. Whatever humanity creates inside their reality, it will in time convert to information. When you reduce the size of all the data outside of your planet, it will become easy to understand. We have actually conducted thousands of experiments on this effect. The only difference between me and my team and NASA is, we have a 40-year jump on them. They extract millions from societies with only theories. Man, if I was you, I would get a refund or give these people another 100 million. Then bend over and say before you leave, can you give me a hard punt? Last, I will say your reality creates information in everything you see. This type of information can be rotated to create information, but it will be different. Just because NASA displays their images a certain way, this does not mean it is supposed to be viewed that way. In time, hopefully NASA will come to the conclusion that all their images, or in fact information, the scholars have been waiting for thousands of years for information from the heavens. They depend on NASA to explain their images. Well, I hate to be the one to say this. They have a very long wait. Me and my team will only give you facts. Then we will back each fact up. If you want to figure out the design of everything, well, you now have at your fingertips the technology you need. Attack. In the next video brief, we will focus on the data or information inside Eagle Nebula. We will also try and figure out why there is an image of a woman's face that outlines Eagle Nebula. This will be a great challenge. To attack this situation, we will focus on all the data around Eagle Nebula. We will try and locate the nearest galaxies to Eagle Nebula. Then we will classify them into zones to see any patterns that will connect them to the woman's face. Here is a theory you may enjoy. NASA releases a statement. We think there are 200 billion galaxies in the universe. I rest my case. Now I really would like the name of that person who said that. Last, I will say, you will love this. In the 1980s, a reporter asked the NASA spokesman on national TV, "Sir, can we get access to the 200,000 telemetry tapes from the first moon landing?" The NASA spokesman on national TV stated, after a pause, "We would be glad to give you all the data, but unfortunately we have lost all 200,000 telemetry tapes. This is why we cannot go back to the moon." Sorry. Now I do tend to throw NASA under the bus. I wonder why.